Good morning. While you were sleeping, major moves were made in the financial world that will set the tone for Wall Street today. The Federal Reserve finally made its call on interest rates, and in the tech world, a stunning partnership between two industry titans is sending shockwaves through the market. Here's your morning breakdown. Narrator. The top story overnight. The U.S. Federal Reserve has cut its primary interest rate by 25 basis points. The move was widely expected and comes as a direct response to a softening American labor market, with jobless claims recently hitting their highest level since late 2021. But don't expect a flood of cheap money just yet. Fed Chair Jerome Powell was careful to frame this as a risk management move, not the start of an aggressive rate-cutting spree. He signaled that while two more cuts could be on the table this year, the Fed is keeping a close watch on persistent inflation. Wall Street, which had already priced in the cut, closed at a new record high yesterday, and futures are pointing to a continuation of that momentum as your day begins. Narrator. The rally is being supercharged by a historic announcement from the technology sector. In a move that stunned the industry, NVIDIA announced a $5 billion investment in its rival, chipmaker Intel. The two giants will collaborate on developing the next generation of AI infrastructure and personal computer products. The market reaction was explosive. Intel's stock soared by nearly 24%, marking its best single day since 1973. The deal is being seen as a massive vote of confidence in Intel and a strategic play to accelerate AI innovation globally. This AI-fueled optimism is spreading. Ahead of President Trump's state visit to the UK, major US tech firms, including Microsoft, Alphabet, and NVIDIA, collectively pledged over $40 billion in new investments to expand Britain's artificial intelligence infrastructure. Narrator. Here's how the rest of the world reacted overnight. European markets closed higher, with London's FTSE 100 gaining after the Bank of England decided to hold its own rates steady. Asian markets, which have just wrapped up their trading day, were mostly positive. South Korea's Kospi and Japan's Nikkei 225 both posted strong gains of over 1%. Though stocks in Shanghai and Hong Kong finished lower. The Fed's decision also sent ripples through currency and commodity markets. The US dollar had already fallen to a 4-year low against the euro leading up to the decision. Gold surged to a new record high, pushing above $3,700 per ounce as investors moved into the safe haven asset. Meanwhile, oil prices are holding steady, with Brent crude trading around $68 per barrel. So, as you head into your day, here is the bottom line. The Fed's rate cut has provided a green light for markets, but the real engine of this rally is the tech sector, fired up by the landmark partnership between NVIDIA and Intel. The AI revolution continues to be the dominant force driving investor confidence and shaping the future of the global economy. That's your morning breakdown. We'll be tracking the markets all day.